everybody, y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with my DIY embellishment series. So today we are doing this super cute little ice cream cone from Cuddly Cute Designs, and this file is called Patriotic Ice Cream Cone, and it was a red, white, and blue ice cream cone, but I changed the blue to chocolate. And so we have a vanilla chocolate strawberry ice cream. So y'all know I am doing my summer fun challenge, fun in the sun challenge over on my Facebook group. And so for this month I have been trying to make some summer embellishments that go well with the collection so that I can use them on my pages. And of course, you know, if you leave me a comment on this video, you will be entered to win one of these ice creams. So this is super easy to put together. I originally thought about inking it, and then I thought, I could ink the pink with, you know, pink or a lot red. But the chocolate is so dark that it would be hard to ink it and it show up. And then, I mean, what color would you really ink the white? So I was like, it would look weird if I just inked the pink. So I decided not to do that and just draw in some little highlight marks. But I did pop the little extra piece of all of them up on foam. So super easy. This is super easy to put together. This right here is all the pieces that's in it that you see. And it's very straightforward on how to put it together. So, I got glitter on me. So I'm just going to stick these together. And then this one glues over on top of this one. Summer is usually pretty hectic with the kids out and all the vacations and all that stuff. So I wanted to find things that were very simple, that was cute, but are very simple to put together without a million gazillion pieces that needed inked and all that stuff. So you have your ice cream cone, your 3 ice creams. It comes with 6 little stars, or 4 little stars you put on top. And after I added them on the first one, I was like, I kind of wish I didn't add the stars. It just don't look right. So then I pulled out some sprinkles I had, and I kind of wish I would have just put sprinkles and left the stars off. But since I'd already done it, and then I jazzed them up a little bit more, I thought it was cute. So I let it be. So, let's just put this together. So to start with, you're just going to add some glue here. This one does not have a base, so you kind of just have to keep building it with on itself. And then add some glue for the next one. And the file showed them being all a little wonky. None of them's on straight. You could put it on straight if you want, but I think it adds a little bit more of a fun feel if they're a little bit crooked. And voila, that quick and easy. And then you have your ice creams to add. Pickup tool works great for all these small pieces. If it'll come off there. And if I get any extra glue leaking out, I always just take my finger and just dab it off instead of smearing it, because even though it does dry clear, it leaves a residue that looks like a snail crawled across it. That's one of my big pet peeves. So for my sprinkles, this is just actually some Easter sprinkles that someone sent me that I had left. And so I just took some of the basic ones. I didn't use, of course, the bunnies or the carrots. But I just used some of the green and the blue and the pink sprinkles out of it, and I just put those on there. So I took the little circles and put those in the middle of the stars, just to add a little something extra. If I can get a hold of it. And then I just added a few little sprinkles here and there. And of course I had to make an odd number because it drives me crazy to have an even number on there. And I just turn my sprinkles all different ways because, you know, if you put sprinkles on an ice cream, they're going to be going any way they want. Nope, I don't need a chick. And voila. And then what I did was I took my pen, and this is a Geth pen, highlight pen, so Gethpen. These are superior to any other white pen that I have ever used. I do have these in my Amazon shop at the link that is listed in the description box below, but do not feel obligated to use my link at all. But these are fantastic. They write so good. Apparently there are colored ones too. I have not tried them, but I know that Elizabeth has got those, and she's used them from my store, and she said they are fantastic also. But these write so good. They don't skip. They're very thick. The only thing is they don't dry like instantly, so you do have to be careful about touching it after you drawed whatever on, so that it doesn't smear. But once it's dry, it's fantastic. It even shows up on the white whenever you highlight it, and I don't know if you can tell that or not, but let's see. Can you see the little highlight mark on the white? Ain't that cool? So, if you want to win this ice cream, all you have to do is leave me a comment below. And if you're interested in finding out more about the summer challenge that is going on, come over to the Facebook group, which is also linked below. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspired you. And until next time, bye y'all.